Hi there, I believe you are doing great. Today guys, we are going to add another tool in our agent that will be the Google search tool. So our agent will be able to do the Google search. Previously we have added RAG retrieval tool. So in today's video we'll see that our agent will have another extra capability. So how to do that? Without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, you have to come to this app.tavily.com/home, and after creating the account, you have to create the API key. Tavily provide 1000 credits per month, means we are able to do 1000 free search each month. So you don't need to pay for this API for now. You have to copy this API key and you have to paste it in your .env file with Tavily _ API _ key. Okay, I have already pasted it in my .env file and it is the tool that we have created previously. So instead of messing things here, why don't we just create another file so where we will maybe add all our tools. Later on we'll add Google Calendar tool and Gmail tool also. So let me just cut these whole things from here and here I will create another file like tools.py and I will paste the code here. Now I need to import the mandatory things from here, so let me just cut this one also and here I will paste, and I will cut this line also, Ctrl X and paste it here. Here we have imported our mandatory libraries and it is our Olamas embedding and it is our RAG retrieval tool. So from this tools.py I will import this tools. I will simply say from tools import tools. So this line, this tools will be import this list. Here later on we'll add Google search tool and Google Calendar and Gmail tool. So now let's create the Google search tool. Google search, I will say add tool, define, its name will be Google search. You can change its name whatever you want. We'll pass some query and here we add a dog string, like this tool is used to do the Google search. And also let me copy this line and I will paste here, and its name will be Google search. This line is for just debugging purpose, that's it. And now we have to import another thing. I will say from LangChain Tavily import Tavily Search. So it is the documentation. Basically you have to come to LangChain docs.langchain.com/python integration provider Tavily. So it is the class basically. LangChain provides different classes like Tavily crawl, Tavily map. You can search about them if you want, but we need this only Tavily search. So if we click here on Tavily search, so it is saying we need to install LangChain Tavily and then we have to add our Tavily API key in .env, and in this way you are able to call the tool. Like this Tavily search have different parameters like maximum results, like after doing the search how many results you want to get from the Google, topic, include answer, include raw content, include images, and time range, and different things. Anyway, so here we need to create the instance of this Tavily search. I will simply say Tavily is equal to Tavily search and maximum results will be 2. I just only want 2 results. And now we have to invoke this Tavily in our tool. So here I will simply say Tavily.invoke and we'll pass the query. So we'll get the result. Let's store it in a result variable, and we'll return the result. It will be Tavily. In tools, I will add also the Google search. So it is our tool.py. We have imported the mandatory libraries. We have created the instance of Tavily Search, and it is our previous tool, that is RAG retrieval tool. And one more thing I forget to tell you in previous class about this filter. So this similarity search, we are using the FAS database. So this similarity search will probably return the distance. So I am able to filter the result on the basis of distance, like if score is less than 0.4 or 0.6, then return the result. So for example, I pass some question, we created the embedding of that questions, and we are matching that embeddings in our database. So I am saying if distance of that embedding with another embedding chunk is less than 0.4, then return the result, otherwise not. So it may be helpful, but for now I don't want to apply any filter. Okay, so we have created our tool, that is Google search, and we have added in our tools list. So let me just save, and here instead of using chat Olama, I will use OpenAI. So I will simply say from LangChain OpenAI import chat OpenAI, and I will create the instance of chat OpenAI. It will be AI, not AO, and the model will be GPT-4o mini. Yeah, it is good, and temperature will be 0.2. I think it is good, and I will say streaming is equal to true. So these are the changes. So let me just save, and let's invoke or run our chatbot. Okay, now let's ask some question, like would you tell me about weather in Lahore, Pakistan? It is calling Google search tool this time. And it's saying the current weather in Lahore is this one. So maybe we need to add the system prompt also, like in the system prompt we will tell you have RAG retrieval tool and Google search tool. So when user want the data about company, first of all you do the RAG retrieval search, and after that if the result is not found, then you maybe do the Google search. And to get the current information you always do the Google search. And maybe we need to add this system prompt also. So we will see that in next video maybe. So because this video is getting longer and longer, so for now I think that's it, and have a great day guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe if the video is helpful.